I make money from my house, no office, no daily work, just with my skills and one small brain that refuses to give up. Stay till the end and I will show you one shift that changed how I approach online income. And you probably haven't heard about it. So go nowhere. Why did I choose to work from home? I'm a financial coach, a content creator, and a mom of 3. I needed a lifestyle that worked for me, not something that would drain me. I didn't want to abandon my kids just to hustle. So I started building income streams that allowed me to stay present and earn at the same time. So let me share with you the things I currently do to earn from home. Here are the things that pays my bills and would eventually fund my dream life. Freelancing. I work with clients remotely, writing content and handling social media pages and even more. I've built a system that brings in jobs for me through referrals and my portfolio. Secondly, I'm a financial coach, so I do online financial coaching. This is my zone. I help people create budget plans, savings, and grow their money. Some clients found me through my social media platforms where I talk about finance. If you know you're not following me on social media, please go to my description and start following me on social media because I share financial tips there on my Instagram, Facebook, and on TikTok. There I share financial tips on how to grow budgets and save your finances. The next thing that actually earns me money is digital products. I'm currently working on ebooks, templates, and courses that simplifies financial growth. They are not fully ready yet, but once they drop, passive income loading, right? And I will let you all know once it's ready so you guys can purchase and make better plans for your future. All right. Then the next one is content creation. This is strategic and is not fun. Every video I create here on YouTube is building my brand. It's not about views. It's not about visibility. The more people see me, the more they'll trust me. And that's how clients come. 3, the mindset shift that helped. At first, I was trying to blow before promoting myself. But I realized people won't pay me later if I'm not showing my value. Now, I stopped waiting. I started showing up as I was learning, growing, and building. This was changed everything for me. Consistency plus visibility equal to income. That's how you start earning. Once you are consistent and you are visible, you start earning. Clients will find you. You can start too. If you're looking for how to start making money from home, you build a simple portfolio. You start showing up online, even if it's once a week. Offer value, build trust, stay consistent. And if you need help managing your money or creating a financial plan, I'm your girl. Book a session with me today. Let's fix it. Subscribe if you want real financial talk tips and YouTube growth tips. If NEPA can disappear in 5 days straight up and you're still creating content, you're already a warrior. Keep pushing and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.